Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So what we have here, we'll be taking a look at this our odd pairs, which is AUD Swiss franc, odd Swiss franc, AUD New Zealand dollar, and AUD CAD. So let's start with the AUD Swiss franc. We'll start with the monthly time frame, higher time frame, by the way. So before we get started, let's add this moving average to actually guide us, which we'll be using 10 period moving average. Now we all know how to trade this moving average. Is that once this price is below our moving average, then it is a sell. But if it is above it, it is a buy. We have to go long. So we see that this for some time, this price has been above the moving average. Then we can take this as a correction. Guess what we are having next again? Another bearish move. Now this price is dropping, that it has broken below this moving average. So now let's start this movement from here. This movement started early 2021. This was around February, right? Third, that is about February. So we've had this bearish move, right, since last year, 2021. Here comes the correction. We saw another bearish move that broke this previous highs. Here comes the correction, right? The price rejected. We saw this, kind of, multiple broke up, and so though we saw this price, we saw that this price has broken this previous lows. Now we are on a correction. After the correction, we would be expecting another bearish move on AUD Swiss franc. So above all, AUD to Swiss franc on the monthly time frame, we are bearish. You can clearly see that this price is still below the 10 period moving average, so it is still a sell. By the way, AUD Swiss franc is a bearish move. So that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So what does the weekly time frame say? So you can clearly see that this is a bearish move. Weekly time frame is also dropping. Notice monthly time frame we are bearish. Weekly time frame also says we are bearish. Now let's see it from here. Let's start this movement from here. We see this drop that was made on AUD Swiss franc. Here we had a correction, and guess what? Again, we've had another drop. Now we are on a correction level, right? So after this correction, see this correction happen here. So it makes sense for us to have a correction here. So what do you expect next? We are expecting a drop. Though as at now, we are kind of having like a bearish move on Swiss franc. This is one of the reasons why AUD is giving us a bullish move. You see that Swiss franc itself is dropping, so there's no possibly in 2 weeks time, the Swiss franc will start gaining that momentum, bullish momentum. Then after, but in 2 weeks time, then we'll see this AUD US UAUD Swiss franc continues its bearish move. As at now, we want to see this AUD go up a little bit before we see it drop. Kind of serve as a double top here. So we want to see it like this. Take a look at this eyes, right? We see that price has once reacted to this level previously, right? So we want to see it come up again. So this price should push up, tap this level again, and drop. So that is why this week we'll be speculating a bullish move. Last week we actually had a bullish move. The week that just finished, we actually had a bullish move. So this week that we are predicting for on AUD Swiss franc, we should be expecting a bullish move. After it, then the next 2 weeks, in next 2 week time, then we should see this price rejects and AUD Swiss franc will drop. So that should take us to the daily time frame. Notice that this daily time frame is kind of giving us like a pullback, right? You see price rejected. So we saw price reacted here. Price reacted there. Like we said, we want to trade what we see and not what we think. So what we clearly consider is price is rejecting this level here. So now let's take a look at this price. We saw price reacted here. Price can react to this level, right? So let's see this price actually push up to tap this level, which is the resistance level. So on the weekly time frame, it will show as a double. This is it on the weekly time frame. It will kind of show like a double top, right? Price rejecting on a double top, right? So on this daily time frame, the price should be able to take out this resistance level on the daily time frame. Once price take it out, then it should drop. So if you clearly can start, this price is kind of ranging within this level, right? You see that this price will come to the resistance level, then drop to the support level. Then it's raw. This is it. It went up to the resistance level. We saw it drop to the support. We saw it again, came close to the resistance level though. Drop to the support, top our support level. Now we are seeing it go up to this resistance level. Once it has hit this resistance level, we should get a drop on AUD Swiss franc, and this 4-hour time frame. So you should kind of see it. You should see it reject at this highs. So you should see it go up a little bit, reject at this size before it drops on AUD Swiss franc. So the next one we have is AUD New Zealand dollar. One thing I want you guys to know is that this New Zealand dollar is actually giving us a bullish move, right? So any other pairs with our New Zealand dollar will kind of give us that bearish. So New Zealand dollar is giving us a bullish move. One of the reasons why last month, which is the month of October, we actually opened and closed bearish. So see it, we actually went about 400 plus pips bearish move that was made last month. This month, which is November, we've gone bearish, right? So the month of November will be over, then a month of December will happen, and we also expect a bearish move for the month of December. So this AUD New Zealand dollar, this is a bearish move. So let's highlight some levels on this monthly time frame. So you can see this level here that price has been rejecting to. You see that price has been reacting to these levels here, and we can take a look at this high. So we clearly can see on this monthly time frame price is ranging. I think this movement started since 2013, right? See this movement here. You can see it. This is about a period of 2013. You see, once this price comes up to the resistance level, we tend to see it drop down to this support, come to the resistance, come to the support, resistance, support. Price kind of reacted to this support level for some times. Now it came up close to the resistance, dropped to the support. Now it has gone up to the resistance level. So what do you expect this AUD New Zealand dollar to make again? Of course, a bearish move. So this movement, we want to see it. At least we should be able to make about 400 pips bearish move to be able to take out this low. So this AUD New Zealand dollar, we are on a bearish move. So go bearish on AUD New Zealand dollar. And secondly, we can see that this price is below the 10 period moving average. So still an indication that we are bearish. Now let's take a look at this what this weekly time frame says. So this is a movement, right? So price has reacted to this level, right? Previously, you know that price has reacted to this level. Guess what? Price broke below it. Give us a pullback. Guess what we are having next? Another bearish move on AUD New Zealand dollar. So this AUD New Zealand dollar will see it want to drop, and the next level we want to see take out is this level here, which is a level of 1.065. Once price can drop here, then we should expect a pullback on AUD New Zealand dollar. So this price should come at this level of 1.065. Pullback should occur, then a continuous bearish move. So weekly time frame bearish, price below the 10 period moving average. So we are still on a bearish move. So if you want to place a trade on this, you have to look for a way to actually short this. Daily time frame, let's see. This is a bearish move. So possibly you can take a look at this movement, impulse move. Here would be the correction. This is the impulse move. Here would be the correction. Impulse move, right? Here would be the correction. Impulse move. Let's see if a correction would be made, right, on this daily time frame. Let's see the correction. If in case the correction will make, then we should see it reject at this level on AUD New Zealand dollar. Then we would continue our bearish move on AUD New Zealand dollar. So this level. So if price can come here, that is 170 pips. But if in case it rejects, we should see it reject at a level of maximum of 100 pips. So I still believe this price will actually drop further, right? So one of the reasons why we're having this pullback is that price has reacted to this level, right? So it's no doubt that price is giving us a pullback, which will not be much. After the pullback, we're expecting another drop on AUD New Zealand dollar. And the 4-hour time frame also says we are bearish, right? So let's see if this 4-hour time frame will actually drop, break this level. Once we can break this lows, then we can enter to short this AUD New Zealand dollar. If not, the price might be giving us a pullback, but let's wait for a confirmation to break this level before we enter this trade. And lastly, AUD card. You will note that AUD our card is giving us a bearish move. So any other pairs to our card tends to give us a bullish move. So it's not a surprise that this AUD New Zealand dollar is kind of giving AUD card is actually giving us a bearish move. So take a look at this AUD card. You see this movement. This will be the lows. Here comes the correction, new lows. We are having a correction. After the correction is over, then we will continue our bearish move. As at now, the card is giving us a bearish move. So this is one of the reasons why we are seeing a bullish move. Now let's see what this 4 time weekly time frame says, and let's include our 10 period moving average. So we can clearly see that this price is a bearish move, right? So there's no doubt. AUD New AUD card is actually giving us that movement. So as at now we are correcting, which is bullish move, which is giving us a bullish move. We see week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From go straight to week 6 weeks, we actually opened and closed bullish, right? So let's see if this price actually push up to tap this level again before it actually falls. So this will be waiting for a fall. We'll be expecting a fall at a level of 0.91135. So let's see it come up because price has rejected here. So definitely let's price move up to this level, then react by dropping. So AUD card will be expecting a bearish move, but as at now, a bullish move needs to be made. So from here to this level here, we should have about 100 pips to be made. So that's it. You can see that this price has gone up, give us a pullback here. Price went up again. So the next level we'll see this price get to this level here that you just talked about. Once it get there, then we'd start having a bearish move on AUD card and 4-hour time frame. So it still says bullish move. So let's go bullish for some times. After the bullish move has been made, then AUD card will start dropping for the week.